Ashley from Nighted Tree Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Pet Treater. This is their March package. So this is the cat pack. They do have a dog pack as well. It's $12.99 a month. There's usually a coupon code. I don't know it right off the top of my head. It always changes for like free things or half off or whatever. So you'll notice this has been cut open, and that's because when it came, my cat is usually interested in the items once it's open, but never once has the cat actually stolen the whole. I was like really intrigued on like what is in here that my hair is so looks so terrible. It's terrible. What is in here? So I of course cut it open because my curiosity got the better of me. So I'll show you guys what that was in a second. It's not this. This is from Toy Shop Playables Unlock the Fun Cat Toy. It's a little catnip. Looks like some sort of a mouse. It's like a rattan kind of I said rattan. I don't even know if that's the right word. But anyway, it's cute. It's a little cutie toy. Then we've got some Pure Bites. These are freeze-dried. I guess this is chicken. Salmon treats. These freeze-dried treats, the cat really likes these. I don't know if it's because maybe they're salted or something, but they're all natural, one ingredient. That's it. So my cat loves those. This is what Pure Bites. Okay, here is the toy. This is the toy in question. This is from Sergeant's. This is Crazy Claws Speedy Snail. It has catnip in it. It's one of those like vibrating toys. The cat is obsessed with this. So like I can't wait to give it to her. Like she's gonna really be happy. Pull and scoot. Watch the snail skitter across the floor and Kitty will be right behind. A great surprise to catch and bounce. She loves it. I don't know what to say. All right. So we have here, what's this? What is this? From the Field, Earth-Friendly Pet Products, Chewy the Hemp Rope. So it looks like catnip and a rope to like play with. My cat, the one toy that my cat really likes are things that she can like toss, those little tossable like rings. She's older, the heavier toys she's just not seems to be as into, unless they make noise, the ones that have bells. She likes that stuff. So this looks like it's a good, like, throwing in the air and running around and catching it. And then there's some catnip in there as well. All right, so each of the cat treater, pet treater comes with this sticker. So there's that. It says Purito. The only thing about these stickers is, like, I tried to put one on my car. They're not car stickers. So you have to put them somewhere in your house. $100 wine voucher for Naked Wines. And then it just tells you that you can enter your pet into their photo contest. So, because they do in some packages, I had somebody ask me a question. They don't always include clothing, but they have included little like a scarf and things. And there was a Halloween costume. So there is occasionally things that you can, but you can just take a picture of your pet with their fun new toys. So that's everything that I got in the Pet Treater Cat Treater package. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Pet Treater with my affiliate link. So if you're interested in them subscribing, that'll be down there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.